Hello, everyone. This is Dan Gramza, and welcome to dangramza.com Market Studies for Thursday, March 12th. What do we see here in the Russell? We had some fundamentals coming out, but this market basically is going sideways. It's what I call a neutral zone trade that has a bullish bias, but we're just not seeing buyers come into this market, not at this point, but we have more fundamentals coming out on Thursday and Friday that could stimulate this market. Let's move on though, and let's take a look at the Canadian dollar. It's made attempts at rallies and it keeps getting sold into. The bias is for a move to the upside. The structure is bearish. It implies a down day for Thursday. And what about silver? Silver's cooling off a bit, and I think that does make sense. The dollar difference, that sell to buy level, is $1,500 a contract. Further movement to the downside, yes, but I'm looking for it to be bouncy. In other words, leaving a shadow on the low for that market. Nat gas is also firming up. Remember, a lot of nat gas is critical when it comes to producing fertilizer, and 35 to 40% of urea fertilizer comes from the Middle East. So we'll have to see what happens here as the whole Strait of Hormuz unfolds. Now we're seeing it reflected in soybeans. It gave us a rally and it sold off a bit. So what we're looking at is consistency of behavior. This implies a down move, but I think the fundamentals could at least support a sideways move. Well, those are my thoughts for today. Thank you for joining me. Look forward to being with you again tomorrow. In the meantime, take care.